So guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to buy blue check on Instagram, or how do you get verified blue check on your profile on your Instagram, like this one. If I open up this account here, so next to his name here you can see this blue check mark. Okay, so this means that this account is an official account and this account is verified with Instagram. So how do you get this blue check? Okay, so in order to get this blue check, you will go into your profile here, then you will tap on these three lines at the top right, and then you will tap on settings here, then you will tap on account here, and if you scroll down you will see this option which is request verification. Tap on this one. Okay, so you actually have to like fill out this form. Okay, apply for Instagram verification. So first of all, you have to confirm your authenticity, identification documents for yourself or your business. Okay, so you have to enter your full name, and like you have to add a document which identifies you, and then you have to confirm the notability. Now what this means that in order to get the blue tick on your Instagram profile, you must be a public figure. Okay, you must be a public figure. If you are not a public figure, or if you don't have a public presence, then then your account will not get verified. Okay, so if you are a normal person, a common person, then your account will not get verified. So you have to enter those details here, and then if you have published any kind of articles, and if you have any other social media accounts, you can actually also add them here, but this is the optional. Okay, and then you will just tap on the submit option, and then the Instagram team will review your information, and they will decide whether to give you a blue tick or not. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.